Okay, just wanted to give a little show and tell for folks. This was a laying worker colony. Something happened to the queen. Not exactly sure what happened. It was a small split. The queen was in there laying. She did have basically a two-frame colony. And then it suddenly, they superseded the queen and failed to raise a new queen, and I discovered it, and it was starting to go to a laying worker. So, getting a little agitated. We're August 22nd. So, anyways, just wanted to kind of quickly show you this individual right here. That is a drone. He is as small as a worker because there were unfertilized eggs laid into worker comb. You can see how small he is compared to a full-size drone there. There's a full-size. Where'd that little guy go? Hiding on me. There's the small size drone. Here's the full size drone. Anyhow, some of these cappings in here are raised. Anyhow, just wanted to quickly discuss what do you do when you find a laying worker colony? Well, got to confirm, number one, yep, it is a laying worker. Here's another small drone. Anyhow, once you here's the small guy right here walking along. When you discover you have a laying worker colony, the only way I have found to remedy it is to take a frame of mostly, I'd say 50-50 open and closed brood with a ripe queen cell. As soon as you put the brood in there, the colony will get the smell of the brood, the pheromones from the brood, and when that ripe queen cell opens, that is the reset button. Once the reset button is hit, the laying workers stop. The workers will turn around and devour all the eggs and any brood, and then they will wait for the virgin queen, to go out, mate, and get things going again. So at this point here, this is the colony. Decent amount of bees there. They have a virgin in there. She is running around. All is good. She's been in there for 3 days, so she should be going out to mate here anytime soon. In the meantime, there is a bunch of these worker drones, I call them. Kind of a freak of nature, really. Once again, here's one worker drone right here. They're funny looking. They look like workers, but they're really drones. Anyways, a ripe queen cell on a frame of brood introduced to a laying worker colony will cure it every time. Anyhow, just wanted to pass that little tidbit of information on to everybody, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. These are the Baltimore bees, and take care.